Okay, we now want to install this little adapter. I've emptied the glove box because the adapter port is at the back of the glove box. There's a cover over it, so first off remove the cover and you'll see the adapter there. If we have a look at the adapter itself, it's a bit like a SCART socket in the shape of it, and there's also a lip. So it can only go in one way, but I guess those prongs look very fragile, so just be aware of that. But follow the lip and we should be able to put it in the right way. Okay, I've gently but firmly put it in. It's got a nice little, it's not very clear here, but a little red light has popped up to indicate we're connected. So so that looks to be in. Okay, the next stage is we have to set up the smart device to talk to this little dongle we've installed in the glove box, and we use Bluetooth for that. And the way to do it is we go into settings, which is a little cog symbol on your Android device, and there's an option here for connected devices. Go into connected devices and we'll go choose option Bluetooth, and it will, so we've got no pair devices, we'll pair a new device and it will go away and search for this adapter, and lo and behold OBD2 has appeared. In the past sometimes it doesn't pick it up. I have to go back to the Bluetooth menu and disable Bluetooth and enable it again, and it will eventually will pick it up. So in this event it's picked it up, and we'll click on OBD2. So it is trying to, okay, so when it connects, it's called pairing. It's pairing with OBD2. So the instructions on this dongle indicate there's a pin, and it's either 0000 or 1234. So we'll choose putting numbers in. So what's that there? 1, 2, 3, 4, and tick box. Oh, okay. Okay, so it's now paired, so which is good. Okay, we can now come out of Bluetooth. Come out of there. Basically go back to our main menu. We now, because we've already got the car scanner installed, we'll fire up car scanner. Okay, so here it rolls up. This is its initial menu. What I've found is it's if you go into the settings, which is in this top right hand corner, another cog, and it will be, best thing to do is set the connection profile. Okay, and it comes up with a lot of manufacturer names, and we're looking for Dacia. Let's wait for it. Okay, eventually it brings up a list of models For me, I've got a Logan 1.2 2016 model. There's not an exact match with this, so I chose this Logan 2 Sandero 2 model English. At the end, it's got an EN or an RU, which I think is Russian, so we obviously want the English one. If yours is a Sandero 2 base with the 0.9 litre 3-cylinder engine, there's a specific one for that. But anyway, we'll choose the one most appropriate. Okay, so we'll check that profile. Okay, that's all we need to do there. So we'll come out of settings. Right, at the bottom you will see a little tab marked connect. So we'll now attempt to connect this device to the dongle. And it's thinking about it. In the bottom right hand corner, okay, I wonder, I'm just going to put it on the first. Okay, we're now connected, but in order to do so, you have to put the ignition to the second position. So just bear in mind that's to make it fully connected, second position. You'll notice that on the car scanner screen, we've got another box has appeared. Now we're connected. It's called coding and service. And that is where some of these hidden functions are found. So we'll click on coding and service. Right, it gives a sort of a very stark warning that we're into an area there where you can make changes which could do you more harm than good. So you have to be careful going forward. And I'm sort of a bit nervous myself about doing it. So I've done the backlight. I haven't attempted to do anything else because I don't really know what I'm doing. So yes, I agree. Okay, eventually, after a little while, it comes up with this menu, and the one we're interested in for this occasion, there's lots of them here. I wouldn't like to play, but you can play. Is dashboard, and the second one down is the one we're interested in. Is dashboard backlight always on. So we click on that. And its current state is active because I've already done this, but if when you do it the first time it will be inactive, and then you select the coding option, active, and then it will prompt you to save it, if I remember rightly, and then that will be it. That's all there is to it on this part of it. So best at this stage is to come out. Disconnect from the dongle, and then you can simply remove the dongle from the glove box port. The end result is the instrument panel has a permanent backlight. Now I do understand why Dacia don't make it an automated feature. Is it acts when it's dark at night and you haven't got that backlit, it does remind you to switch your lights on. So that's why it's not a permanent feature. I will use it for a while, and if I find the occasions that I forgot to switch my lights on, I'll switch it back off again. But that's it. Hopefully you found it useful.